Premium Courses is our all-time bestseller e-learning. It was launched exactly 1 year ago. So it's a 1-year anniversary, and to celebrate, we are doing a promo on Premium Courses. If you sign up now, instead of $59 a year, it's now $29 a year. So hurry, take this opportunity, because I can promise you, this is the best-selling product. Oh, there's one more thing that's really important. When we launched Premium Courses in March 2020, these 580 subscribers signed up and took up the $25 a year subscription. Truly, you changed the way we teach e-learning. We have so many good lessons in there, and I only have you to thank. We want to show you how Beyond Photography appreciate your Pioneer subscription. So if you head on to this link now, we'll give you a special price of just $19.90. That's my way of saying thank you for being the first 580 people that subscribed to Premium Courses and made this a success. So really, head on now and enjoy Premium Courses for the next 1 year to come at just $19.90. Oh, this only applies if you subscribe to Premium Courses in March, April, and May, and the price that you subscribed was $25. It's now $19.90. That's our way of saying thank you for being Pioneer subscribers. So please don't lose this opportunity, because no one will get this price anymore. We have never offered Premium Courses that cheap before, right? No.